Hi there, this is your hair coach from Traya. I'm here to guide you through your treatment journey and to make sure you have all the information you need on how to use the products in your kit effectively for the best results. If you have any doubts throughout the treatment, hair coaches like me can guide you, clear your doubts and take feedback to ensure that your treatment is right on track. They also work with doctors to make modifications to the treatment if required to ensure better results. Connecting with a hair coach is easy. Just download the Traya app or log into the Traya website, then book a call with them. Coming back to how to use your kit, which you must have received by now. So this is what your Traya kit looks like. To see real hair growth, Traya doctors recommend you use it for at least 5 to 6 months in your case. On opening the box, you will find a QR code that you need to scan using Google Lens or scanner. Then enter your registered mobile number and order ID to access your digital prescription. This prescription has all the necessary information about your medicines, exact dosage and usage instructions for every product. Make sure you keep your digital prescription handy for easy access and reference. Now, let's begin. Starting with hair rust. It is advised to take 2 tablets after breakfast and 2 after dinner with a glass of water. Health Tattva. Take 2 tablets of this metabolic booster daily, 1 after breakfast and 1 after dinner. Hair vitamins. Here is your daily dose of essential vitamins required for hair growth. Have 1 capsule of hair vitamin a day after breakfast with a glass of water and you are good to go. Gut Shuddhi. Gut Shuddhi is for balancing your gut and digestion. It is recommended to take 1 tablet after dinner with water. Traya Scalp Oil. Traya Scalp Oil comes with a customized booster oil. Now pour the contents of this tiny 7 ml booster oil into the scalp oil bottle and shake well. Take a sufficient amount of this oil mix and massage the scalp gently for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have mild dandruff, then keep the oil only for 3 to 4 hours before washing. Others can keep it overnight for the best results. Use it twice a week. Minoxidil. FDA approved minoxidil gives the best hair growth results. Apply the serum on a clean and dry scalp in areas you notice balding or hair loss. Make sure you use the dropper and only take out 1 ml. Use the serum twice a day and note that you do not have to rinse the solution after applying. On days when you apply oil, apply minoxidil first and apply the oil an hour later. If minoxidil solution falls anywhere on your face or hands, make sure to wash it off properly after each application. Anti-dandruff shampoo. This shampoo is used as a medicated anti-dandruff treatment. Make sure you take a generous amount, lather on your scalp and rinse after 3 to 5 minutes. Do not apply anti-dandruff shampoo across the length of hair. Apply it only on the scalp. Use it twice a week. Defense shampoo. Defense shampoo is for regular scalp cleansing. Take a sufficient amount of this shampoo, massage gently on wet scalp and rinse thoroughly. Use this regularly around 2 times a week, but if you have an oily scalp, you can use it more often. Anti-dandruff night lotion. This antifungal treatment lotion fights heavy dandruff and leaves the scalp itch-free. It works on both dry and oily scalps. Take a small amount on the tip of the finger and gently apply a thin layer over the scalp on affected areas before bedtime. Do not apply scalp oil and night lotion together. Nasal Grip. Nasal Grip drops help improve the sleep cycle. Just before going to bed at night, lie down and put 3 drops in each nostril. This might be new for a lot of people, so if you feel any discomfort after using it, gargle with warm salt water. Breath can solidify in cooler temperatures, so it is advisable to dip it in lukewarm water for a few minutes whenever that happens. Recap Serum. Recap Serum is a patented hair growth active with natural extracts. Apply 1 ml of it using a dropper at night on the areas you notice balding and hair loss. Apply it on the scalp and hair roots and not across the strands. On the days when you apply oil, apply Recap first. After an hour, apply the oil. Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a medicine with a mixture of herbal extracts that lowers cholesterol levels and supports your heart health. Take 2 tablets of cholesterol after breakfast and 2 tablets after dinner every day with a glass of water. Digest Boost. Digest Boost is a 100% natural Ayurvedic supplement whose herbal ingredients fight digestive ailments such as gas, constipation, bloating, acidity, and cramps. Take 1 tablet of Digest Boost after breakfast and 1 after dinner every day with a glass of water. ConstiClear. ConstiClear helps in managing constipation by improving bowel movement. Take 2 tablets of ConstiClear after dinner with a glass of water. Thyrosantulan. Thyrosantulan tablets are meant to not only tackle hair fall due to thyroid issues, but the herbs in it also help boost overall metabolism and promote hormonal balance. Take 2 tablets after breakfast and 2 tablets after dinner every day with a glass of water. Mom Santulan. Mom Santulan not only works on postpartum hair loss but also helps replenish the strength and nourishment lost due to intense and critical labor of childbirth. Take 2 tablets after breakfast and 2 after dinner every day with a glass of water. Menosantulan. Menosantulan is an ultimate herbal mix that controls hair fall in menopausal and premenopausal women. Take 2 tablets of Menosantulan after breakfast and 2 tablets after dinner every day with a glass of water. PCOS Santulan. PCOS Santulan helps control hair fall in women due to PCOS by improving hormonal balance. Take 2 tablets of PCOS Santulan after breakfast and 2 tablets after dinner every day with a glass of water. You are now all set to start using your kit, so what are you waiting for? Let's achieve your hair goals with Traya.
So what are you waiting for? Install the Traya app and start your hair growth journey today.